Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start fast. Plug the phone in and make sure battery is above 20%. Then perform a force restart by holding power and volume down for about 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary hangs. Once it reboots, remove any case, SD card, or external accessories that might cause thermal or read errors. Make sure you have your screen unlock method ready, because the device may boot to lock screen or prompt for your PIN. These steps reset volatile issues without erasing data. Now boot into safe mode to test whether a third-party app is freezing the system. Press and hold the power option, then tap and hold power off until safe mode appears. Once in safe mode, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, and clear cache for memory-heavy apps like browsers or social clients, because cached data can corrupt and stall processes. Next, free up at least 500 MB to 1 GB of storage by uninstalling apps or deleting large files. Low storage often causes system freezes, and for final fixes, wipe the system cache partition via recovery mode. This clears low-level temporary files that survive reboots. If problems persist, make a full backup and perform a factory reset. This removes persistent software corruption. Once reset, immediately update Android and apps to the latest versions to prevent repeat issues. If freezing continues after a reset, you may have a hardware fault. Back up your data and contact repair service or your manufacturer for diagnostics. Troubleshoot by noting when freezes happen and any recent installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.